Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, we go deep on all the best tech and gadgets that make life better. Today we're diving into a whole new setup, 7 incredible inventions that'll upgrade your home in ways you never thought possible. We're talking smart cooking solutions, next-level security, and even some stuff that just straight up feels like magic. If you've ever wanted to level up your living space, this is the video for you. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a homeowner looking for the latest innovations, or just curious about the future of home living, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's get right into it. First up is something for all my grill masters and foodie fans out there. Let's talk about the Paketbox Pro 4 Series Vertical Smoker. This smoker makes it easy to get that authentic smoky flavor without the guesswork. It's got built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can adjust the temperature and monitor the meat probes from your phone. No more babysitting the grill for hours on end. You can literally kick back, relax, and let the Paketbox do its thing. And let's talk about that capacity 4 racks of vertical smoking space. Whether you're cooking for a small family gathering or a full-on feast, this thing's got you covered. Plus, the digital control board is super intuitive. The Paketbox Pro uses all natural hardwood pellets, so you know you're getting that real-deal smoky flavor in every bite. No gas, no propane, just pure, wood-fired goodness. The first time you pull a perfectly smoked brisket or rack of ribs out of this thing, you'll be hooked. Plus, the sleek design and solid build quality mean it'll look right at home on any patio or backyard. The Paketbox Pro 4 Series is a total game changer for anyone who loves to cook outdoors. It's the perfect blend of technology, convenience, and good old-fashioned barbecue tradition. Alright, let's move on to something even more futuristic. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to step into the future of cooking with the BOTINKIT OMNI. This isn't just an appliance, it's a complete culinary revolution. Imagine a world where your kitchen has a robotic sous chef that handles everything from prep to plating. That's the BOTINKIT OMNI in a nutshell. This all-in-one robot takes care of temperature control, ingredient dispensing, cooking, serving, and even cleaning automatically. The OMNI uses a programmable digital cooking system that's like having thousands of recipes at your fingertips. And the best part? It learns your preferences over time, so the more you use it, the more personalized your cooking experience becomes. Think of it like having a personal chef that tailors every meal to your exact tastes. The BOTINKIT OMNI is also incredibly precise, ensuring consistent results every time. Plus, it's designed to minimize food waste. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the BOTINKIT OMNI can elevate your cooking game to a whole new level. Now, let's shift gears from the kitchen and talk about something that can offer some serious peace of mind. Let's talk home safety for a minute, because that's something we should all take seriously. Traditional fire extinguishers can be bulky, hard to use in a panic, and not the most aesthetically pleasing things to have around the house. That's where the Haven fire extinguisher comes in. This thing is a total game changer when it comes to fire safety. Instead of those clunky red canisters, the Haven is a sleek, discreet device that mounts directly into your ceiling cavity. And here's the best part. It's completely automatic. The Haven detects heat and flames and then automatically activates to suppress the fire before it can spread. It uses a special fire suppressant agent that's safe for your home and the environment. And because it's installed out of sight, it won't cramp your style or clutter up your living space. The Haven also has a 5-year lifespan, meaning you don't have to worry about constantly replacing it like traditional fire extinguishers. Plus, installation is super easy. The Haven fire extinguisher is one of those things you invest in and hope you never have to use, but if the worst case scenario ever happens, you'll be incredibly grateful you have it. Alright, let's move on to something that will keep you comfortable year-round. Nobody likes being too hot or too cold, especially in their own home. That's where having a reliable and efficient HVAC system comes in, and Carrier is the name you can trust. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing system, Carrier has a solution for you. From energy-efficient air conditioners to versatile heating options like furnaces and heat pumps, they've got you covered year-round. But Carrier isn't just about keeping your home at the right temperature. They're all about creating the perfect indoor environment for you and your family. That means taking into account things like humidity control, air purification, and even noise reduction. And for those who want the ultimate in personalized comfort, Carrier offers ductless mini splits. These are perfect for customizing the temperature in specific rooms or spaces without having to install extensive ductwork. Carrier's latest systems are smarter than ever, with features like Wi-Fi connectivity, remote monitoring, and even voice control. Imagine being able to adjust your thermostat, check your energy usage, or even set up custom schedules all from your smartphone. Plus, their commitment to energy efficiency means you'll save money on your utility bills in the long run. Whether you're a tech enthusiast who loves having the latest and greatest, or just someone who appreciates a comfortable and well-controlled living environment, Carrier has an HVAC solution that's perfect for you. They're a true leader in home comfort technology. Up next, we're tackling a pain point we can all relate to: Package deliveries. We've all been there, right? Waiting around for a package, constantly checking the tracking, and then BAM! You miss the delivery. It's frustrating, inconvenient, and honestly, just a huge pain. Well, say goodbye to those delivery woes with the Meisterbox parcel box system. This thing is a total game changer, especially if you live in an apartment building, residential complex, or even an office. The Meisterbox is a secure and intelligent parcel box system that ensures first-time delivery every time. No more missed deliveries, no more stolen packages, and no more having to trek down to the post office to pick up your stuff. The Meisterbox system is installed in your building or complex, and each resident gets their own personal parcel box. When you order something online, you simply use the Meisterbox app to generate a unique 6-digit code. The delivery driver enters the code at the Meisterbox kiosk, and your package is safely deposited into your designated box. You'll get a notification on your phone letting you know your package has arrived, along with the code to unlock your box. Next up, we're going from package deliveries to something completely different: laundry. Let's be real, laundry is probably everyone's least favorite chore. But what if I told you there's a way to make it almost effortless? Enter the GoodLiving Platinum Pro Automated Laundry System. This is not your grandma's clothesline. The Platinum Pro is a cutting-edge laundry system that takes care of drying your clothes with minimal effort on your part. It's like having a personal laundry assistant right in your home. The magic lies in GoodLiving's innovative Aerodyne function. This system uses gentle airflow and strategically placed drying poles to dry your clothes quickly and efficiently. All you have to do is hang your clothes on the poles and let the Platinum Pro do the rest. No more struggling with clothespins, no more worrying about wrinkles, and no more waiting hours for your clothes to air dry. The Platinum Pro can dry a full load of laundry in a fraction of the time it takes traditional methods. The Aerodyne function also helps to preserve the quality of your clothes. The gentle airflow prevents shrinking, stretching, and fading, so your clothes look newer for longer. The Platinum Pro model features 8 long poles that are adjustable to accommodate any size garment, from delicate lingerie to bulky blankets. The GoodLiving Platinum Pro automated laundry system is a game changer for anyone who wants to simplify their laundry routine and keep their clothes looking their best. Alright, for our final invention, we're talking about home security. Last but not least, let's talk home security, because protecting your home and loved ones is priceless. Traditional security cameras can be a hassle, with complicated wiring, expensive installation fees, and limited placement options. That's where the TOVNET SolarCam comes in. This isn't your average security camera. It's a completely wireless, solar-powered surveillance solution that's as easy to install as it is effective. Just mount it in a sunny spot using the included hardware, and you're good to go. No need to run wires or worry about finding an outlet. The SolarCam is powered by a built-in solar panel that keeps its battery topped off, even on cloudy days. And speaking of the battery, it's a beast. We're talking 40,000 mAh of lithium-ion power, which is enough to keep the camera running for days, even without any sunlight. The SolarCam is also packed with advanced security features. It's got motion detection with AI-powered intelligent alerts, so you'll only be notified when something's actually happening. Plus, it's got a weatherproof rating of IP66, meaning it can withstand the harshest elements: rain or shine, snow or sleet. The SolarCam will keep a watchful eye on your property. The SolarCam records in crystal clear 1080p resolution, so you won't miss a single detail. You can even access the live feed and recorded footage remotely from your smartphone using the TOVNET app. The TOVNET SolarCam is the perfect security solution for anyone who wants peace of mind without the hassle of complicated installations or monthly subscription fees. Alright, that wraps up our look at 7 must-have home inventions. So, there you have it. 7 incredible inventions that can transform your home and your life. From smart cooking solutions to cutting-edge security and beyond, these gadgets are changing the way we live, work, and relax in our homes. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews and gadget breakdowns. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.